So here we are at the Alphacool booth at CES, where they're showing off the RTX 6000 workstation slash server edition line of GPU blocks. Now these things, you might think to yourself, well, why could I care about this? Well, here's the thing, it's not just for the RTX 6000, because it is fully compatible with the RTX 5090 FE as well, if that's what you have in your system instead. It is supposed to be about a kind of minimalism and also just about pure function rather than form. So nothing flashy, it's just about pure performance. And because of the specific requirements of the RTX 6000, the way it looks inside is a bit different, given how it provides full cooling on both sides of the PCB. Another thing to keep in mind is where your inlet and your outlet are for the rest of your water cooling loop, given how they're on the side right here, rather than kind of being here on the front like with most other GPU blocks. So even if you don't care about all of the performance it offers, if this is exactly what you need for your loop, then of course it's going to come in really helpful. Not to mention the fact that if you're doing any kind of AI work and if you need multiple GPUs in one system, then these are an amazing way of doing that. So that was the workstation, and then this here is the server edition. As you can see, slightly different design, but pretty much the exact same principles as well. Now, both of these will be available later this year, and again, compatible with both your enterprise kind of level RTX 6000, but also just your regular 5090 as well. Well, I say regular, it's still an NVIDIA flagship that costs a bunch, but still, we're talking about water cooling. This isn't the video for you if you run something like an RX 9060. Plus, huge thanks to Gavin Byrne, Justin Rage, Lavronyak, Banish Voka, Not a Student, Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcraft.